Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites so the hotspot will be reliable. Make sure your device supports Wi-Fi hotspot and has an active data connection. Otherwise, this won't work. Once done, keep the device plugged in or above 20% battery so it won't drop mid-setup. Now open Settings and go to Network or Hotspot Options. Set a clear SSID and choose WPA2/WPA3 security. Then create a strong password. This is the first actionable step to broadcast Wi-Fi. Now you configure the hotspot for performance and security. Choose the Wi-Fi band, pick 2, 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for faster throughput. Why that matters is signal vs speed trade-off. Next, set client limits or a data cap to prevent overuse and reduce interference. After you've set SSID, security type, and password, enable the hotspot. Then on the client device, select the SSID and enter the password. Make sure to check for successful internet access. Finish by validating all clients can browse and by monitoring speed for a few minutes. If something goes wrong, first restart the hotspot, and if needed, toggle airplane mode to refresh cellular radios. This often clears DNS or tethering glitches. If problems persist, confirm your carrier allows tethering and that you haven't hit a data cap. As a last resort, update the device OS or reset network settings to restore default configurations. This resolves most stubborn connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.